Hello everyone, welcome to External Star channel. My name is Marek and today I will be unboxing and reviewing content of this amazing BoS, actually BoS model, which is best of show. And what is inside, you probably already know from the title of this video, but okay, let's act like we will be surprised and like we don't know yet. And alright, so that's the box. And it's always nice and shiny. And okay, so what is inside? Lincoln Model K, dark blue and black BoS model, and this is the serial number 317. Okay, there are some few more details. It's a German company producing those, but actually it was made in China. So again, German company but produced in China. And again, this is not a toy, and the reason is that this is only for collectors, and it should be probably kept somewhere in a shelf on a display, but nobody should be playing with that. And the Lincoln is actually this V-12 Model K limousine, and I'm really looking forward to it. And actually this is now in my vintage car playlist, and this playlist is not so favorite like the other ones. Typically people are watching SUVs and my luxury cars, and not so much about the vintage cars, but still I want to collect some of them because I think they deserve it. Okay, and when I unbox it I already see something here, and that's probably the Lincoln logo, and that's the emblem that I will attach to the hood and to the front grille somehow. Okay, let's see later once I fully unbox this, and then I will just show you how to do that. Okay, so let's open it, and I'm really curious right now. Maybe I can completely remove the top part. Okay, and now, surprise, surprise. Oh, what is that? What is here? See, there was a part of something inside. I hope nothing is destroyed. And now I don't know how to hold it. Oh, okay, there are again some screws. Yes, there are two screws. Okay, so okay, let's go back first. I need to remove those screws. Okay, second attempt, and now I'm successful in removing the car out of the box. And okay, let me just clean the mess here. Look at those screws. These were really long, and I don't know why so long, but that's just for you to see, and I will just put it back. Okay, good. So that's the car. Alright, so let me start the review right now of this Lincoln and V-12 K limousine from 1937, and we can start as usually in the front, and here with the front grille. And I don't know actually if this is perforated or not, because the holes are so tiny, and I like it actually, because when it's so tiny and small it looks very realistic, and I think it was quite difficult to also manufacture this part, so BoS or BoS did a really good job here with the front grille. Then we have this bumper, and it's nice and shiny. We have also the license plate saying Washington 1937. Yeah, actually this model came in 1937, which is great. And the K12, that's the name. And 317, I don't know actually what that means. Probably that's the serial number, because when I check again the box, and I can do it right now, here it says also BoS 317. So what is this 317? I don't know. What is this number here? I don't know. Somebody please tell me in the comments. I know there are people who would know probably. Okay, so also the lights here, these are quite beautiful, but not so much transparent. I'm a little bit hesitant if or what is behind the glass. Okay, and is it even glass, or yeah, it's plastic, a plastic part, but it looks quite nice, like a real glass. And then what is very interesting about this car is that we have half of the car is blue, and for example here and here it's black. Yeah, so it's combination of two colors. It's not that common nowadays because cars only have one color. And also you could notice here that the tires also had this white stripe in the past. It was maybe until the 70s, and then going forward we are now used to only entirely black wheels or tires. Okay, and inside there is some kind of logo. Is it the Lincoln logo? I'm not sure, but I can see the same here. It doesn't even look like the current Lincoln logo, so it's something maybe what was there 80 or is it 80? Maybe 80 years ago. Sorry if I'm not calculating correctly now. And here we also see the door handles, which are quite nicely done. And I also want to point out that this is a resin model, and you cannot open any doors, you cannot open the hood and also the trunk. It's just not possible. But yeah, this is how BoS is doing models. So every time you buy from this company, nothing can be opened. Alright, and here you can actually see here again the handle, the same license plate. In the past actually it was on the left or on the right side. Here it's on the left side, which is also not quite typical nowadays. You don't see that, okay, because it's usually in the middle here under this area. Okay, and very nice and shiny rear bumper. We also have the lights here, and these are really tiny. I'm not sure if this would be possible nowadays. Look at that, just one small red light. And for example, where are the signal lights if they want to turn left or turn right? How does it work? I'm not even sure, because nowadays you have cars which have some turning lights here, then also here somewhere attached to the mirrors, and there are actually no mirrors, okay, and there are also, I think, no turning lights here in the front. So how come it was even possible to give a signal? Okay, so these are the vintage ages somehow, and today it's just ridiculous. There are no rules. Also here, is it air intakes or air outtakes? I don't know. It's just to cool down the engine, but maybe it's just a decoration. Again, because it's not perforated, I'm not able to tell you, because I would expect some holes there, but since there are no holes, it's probably just a decoration. And then of course we have the interior, which was usually very simple in the past. So we only have the steering wheel there, and yeah, not so many details. There are the door handles also inside. There are the leather seats. There are 2 rows, and this is a limousine, so there's really a lot of space. You see here is the door, and passengers were sitting here in this area here. So this whole area is just for getting in or getting out, and it's a lot of room. This was really probably one of the biggest limousines in the time when it was produced. And we have also this nice small rear window. There is nothing on the roof. There are actually no details, no panoramic roof, but okay. In the front we have also the wipers here, 2 of them, and yeah, the rest is quite okay. Here, this is a very thin plastic, so never want to you never want to really touch it with your fingers, maybe only with your fingernail like I'm doing now, because you don't want to make it dirty or moisty. Okay, and yeah, that's basically it. And one thing that I also wanted to do is to actually attach this logo. And so let me first also take it out of the box, not a box but this foil. Oh, it's very tiny. And oh, look at that. I think you would need some glue to glue it in. See, it's there, but it's probably not holding very well because I would need some glue to glue it in. Oh, but it's very nice. It's some kind of dog, running dog. Oh my gosh, that's a running dog. Okay, so that was the Lincoln from 1937, a vintage car, and very nice addition to my collection of vintage cars. I hope you liked my video, and now thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.